ang presentasyon ng ating Good Justice. At nakapanghinayang sapagkat ilan lang tayo ang nakakarinig nito. Ang tanong ko lang po, Chief Justice, to be you are our Chief Justice in your own right. Naisulat po ba ninyo ito in a paper or just like the China to correct their information into a manual of information that will not only benefit us presently, pwede natin pamana sa mga future generations na hindi nila lang itong mistake na ito, yung great error in our history. Palagi nyo nga binabanggit, mali, nakalimutan natin ito in order to revisit our history or even to correct it for future generations too, not just for the present time.
Yes, I have uploaded my lectures like this and other lectures in YouTube, so anyone can watch it.
Okay.
I have a lecture there, a complete version, a complete lecture on the maritime dispute, 1 hour and 25 minutes. It has about 1.4 million views so far. And on this present territorial dispute, I uploaded 3 months ago this lecture, and so far it's about 21,000 views. So some student teachers in elementary and college use it. So it's there, and I also published a book, an e-book on the South China Sea, on the entire maritime dispute. It's downloadable for free also. So it's all there. This one is a short version of my second lecture.